Hello friends, today let us see how to make mouth-watering juicy mango coconut burfi. For that, first take 3 tablespoons of ghee, then take 3 cups of desiccated coconut, and mix it. Let it roast for few minutes. Please subscribe to my channel to get new recipes. Now add 2 cups of milk. Then stir it and simmer it. Now add 1 cup of sugar and mix it properly. Now the sugar is melting. Stir it continuously, else the bottom gets burnt. Now add mango puree and mix it nicely. Simmer it again. The speciality of this sweet is it is very juicy. It will turn out to be a very delicious, mouth-watering sweet. Add 1/4 cup of paneer. This gives a creamy texture to the burfi. Mix it gently. Now add 1 cup of milk powder and mix it properly. This gives thickness to the mixture. Now close the lid and allow it to cook until the mixture gets thickened and come all together and leaves the pan. Please subscribe to my channel to get new recipes and help me to grow. Stir it occasionally. Still there is water content in the mixture. Now the mixture is getting thickened and all the water has evaporated and the mixture is leaving the pan. Now the mixture is ready for making burfi. Now transfer it to the container and refrigerate it for 4 to 5 hours. Now garnish the mixture with the help of almonds and cut into pieces. Now the juicy, delicious mango coconut burfi is ready. Enjoy the burfi.